Welcome to How to Solve.
Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to find your dead AirPods. It's gonna be quick, so make sure you watch until the very end. Let's go! Now, the very best way to find a dead AirPod is to open the Find My App application on your phone. So make sure that you are logged in your AirPods, because if not, it's not gonna show any signification here. You can see that my earbuds are connected. Let's say it's dead or one of my AirPods are lost. We can simply click on the play sound button and it will produce sounds and you can locate it if it still has some charge to it. There's also an option to find your AirPod by using Bluetooth to see how far you are away from it, but it only works for AirPod Pros and I only have the normal ones. So don't worry if you have the same model of AirPods, because there is still a direction button to find your missing AirPods. As you can see, it sent me a map and there's a go button which helps you locate your AirPods by giving you directions. Simple as that. That's how we look for or find our dead AirPods.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.